Hi, I'm Alexa. I'm a certified learning and development specialist who has an experience of evaluating, using, and testing different learning management systems. And in this video, I want to break down some of the alternatives of Sana Labs. And I hope that by the end of this video, you will understand which AI powered LMS might be the right fit for your training goals. Sana Labs is definitely one of the most innovative LMS platforms on the market today, and it introduced a very AI-driven approach to training, like automating content creation, also like some knowledge management, AI tutor. So it is a very strong and modern LMS. It works best for enterprises and also whenever there is a need like of leadership development trainings. Yeah, it also produce a lot of learning content, and AI can automate large parts of the learning process. But some users still mention that despite of AI capabilities, it's not always a perfect centralized solution. Some companies look for alternatives mainly because of the pricing, which can be quite enterprise related level. So yeah, others mention limitation towards reportings and also another curve cost a little bit on heavy reliance on AI rules and this automation. So let's take a look at several alternatives depending on what your organization actually needs. Let's start with EducateMe, which is one of the strongest Sana Labs alternatives today. Basically, it is best for most use cases, such as employee onboarding, upskilling, partners, customers, education, cohort-based learning as well. It has a strong focus on AI with AI assistant, also AI role play for instance, sales or support training. And as well, it has many different features related to white labeling, also with the collaboration learning, and it is quite flexible in terms of pricing. You can view different plans and different features inside of each plan, and it is publicly open and fits many organizations' budget. Now we are moving towards another solution, and we are talking about WorkRamp, or mid-sized, closer to enterprise team focused on internal training, and also some sales partners training included as well. Compared to Sana Labs, WorkRamp offers a more balanced LMS experience with structured like learning paths, automation triggers, and a centralized knowledge hub as well. So it is a quite solid option. And again, in terms of pricing, it is also a little bit easier than Sana Labs, definitely. And you can always check out what sort of things included in different plans. We're moving to Talent LMS as our next option. Another popular alternative is Talent LMS, and it is best for small, mid-sized companies who are looking for a budget-friendly LMS with ready-made training content as well. So yeah, it is quite common, I would say, solution to choose from on the LMS market, and it offers a large course library, some of the gamification tools, different HR integrations, and customizable learning portals. And as one of the strengths as well, it is quite easy to launch, and it provides strong engagement tools like some badges and leadership boards. However, as one of the limitation mentioned, it is less uh, intuitive in terms of some workflows, and it offers less flexibility in deep customization. However, you can check different sort of features they offer. And we are moving to our next alternative, which is the Chiba. For enterprise organizations, the Chiba is another strong Xana Labs alternative, and it works good for large companies focused on workforce upskilling, global training programs as well. And yeah, definitely check out some of the features related to AI recommendations, automation as well, and some parts of gamification and the built-in content marketplace is also good thing to check out. However, some of the limitations that users stated was it feels a bit complex, especially if you're like a mid-sized or small organizations, and usually it comes with higher like implementation costs. So yeah, whenever there is enterprise, definitely take a look at the Chiba. However, we are moving forward to another alternative to take a look at, which is Disco. Disco is ideal for cohort-based, community-driven learning programs, and it combines social learning, community engagement, and also some AI-assisted program management. Some of the limitations mentioned, it's less suited for strict compliance, even though like you could give it a try, but definitely it is not a very strong suit of Disco. And also, there is a limitation related to enterprise reporting needs. As for the pricing, you can always also check it. It is based on annual or monthly based as well. Yeah. Now we are moving to our conclusion, and let's check on what sort of other alternatives we can offer inside of our article. So while Cine Labs remains a quite innovative and AI and one of the best AI powered LMS, it's not just always the right and the best fit for every organization. So if you want flexibility, collaboration, some modern AI tools, I would say that EducateMe is the best fit for that. For instance, WorkRamp works well for like a structured, easy sort of internal or like sales training, for instance. TalentLMS is great for some like budget friendly programs. Platforms like the Chibo or Cornerstone, they are the best fit for like enterprise, like upskilling, trainings, and there's Discuss 360 Learning. They focus more on collaborative learning experiences. So, yeah, the best approach is always to test different platforms, see what works best for your training and corporate goals, and definitely let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you to choose the right Santa Labs alternative. Check our link in the description box to read a more detailed overview of these alternatives.